Hello, and welcome back to The Tofu Chef. In this episode, we'll be making yet another tofu-based dessert that is super easy, super pretty, and super tasty, tofu pudding. It is extremely flexible, literally takes less than 5 minutes to make, and is a great way to make use of the leftovers in your pantry. So let's get started.
We are the
Tofu Chef! The idea of tofu pudding is rather straightforward. We make a base layer with something firm, crunchy, and has a stronger flavor profile to complement the middle layer, the soft tofu. Then finish with the top layer that can be anything. You can be creative and perhaps take this chance to clear up any leftovers in your fridge. For today, our base layer is black rice with coconut milk, just because we found a small can of black rice in our pantry. We have tried oats, mixed whole grains, and many other ingredients for the base layer, and they all turn out great. Black rice has been cooked in a pressure cooker and cooled down to room temperature. To make the texture even crunchier, we added in some shaved ice. Put all the ingredients to the blender. Some coconut milk. Pulse a few times. And scoop out the black rice. Next, simply scoop out the soft tofu and put on top of the base layer. We use glucolactone tofu here for its creamy, pudding-like texture, but feel free to use any soft tofu that is available in your local market. The tofu layer can be slightly thicker than the base layer. Finally, top it with whatever ingredients you prefer to use. We're showing two interpretations: Asian-inspired topping and quote-unquote use whatever you have type of topping. What's included in the Asian-inspired topping are mango, tapioca, and sweet beans. For those who are curious what the little shiny colorful balls are, they're made of tapioca flour and sweetened with natural flavors. Yeah, they're exactly the chewy, spongy bubble balls inside the very popular, inexpensive sweet bubble tea. If you can get a pack of frozen tapioca balls from your local Asian food mart, simply cook in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes and cool with an ice bath. Our other topping is purely freestyle. To reduce food waste and save some leftovers, we just use some mango cubes, granola, and almond flakes. So here they are, 2 cups of tofu pudding with different toppings. A fusion of interesting flavors and textures. Tofu pudding is best served cold, so fridge for at least half an hour and enjoy with a big spoon. If you find this recipe helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have all the ingredients, especially silken tofu or soft tofu at hand, you'll be surprised how easy it is to make all these recipes. Stay tuned for more interesting tofu-based recipes and see you next time.